model, 2014 Ford Transit Custom L2 2.2 TDCi Limited needs turbo. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 76,564. MOT, the 18th of February 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCi-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo has play and will need replacing, straightforward turbo replacement job. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise control, parking sensors, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,395.